At the destination, we'll be like, okay, what was the name of the boat we were on in Tonga?
Hokapanas.
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 Holly will get it.
Hokapanas.
Yeah, exactly. You'll get it.
I may remember it. Woo! Good little itchings and no buzz ox.
Hike's position.
Did you take a picture of the hobbit?
Second bowl?
Mungie? Come on in, Nat.
Oh, it was great. Nice and warm.
Mungie.
What's that?
Did you take a picture right here?
Did I take a picture?
The
They're
hobbit?
still singing in church, too.
No, I should, huh?
They sing all night. So cool.
Pretty sweet church though, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Is it tits or tuts?
Everything's in order, you know, the town's in order.
Yeah, definitely.
This is the best
And that
view of
building
it.
up there on that right there.
Yeah.
Pretty sweet, huh?
But they, I guess they ran out of money. Dude, it looked the same when I was here last year.
What's that hotel?
Yeah, right there. It's under construction.
Oh, that is really?
Yeah. It looked the exact same when I was here last year. BC said they ran out of money. Alright, caramba.
Did you get a picture of the hobbit here, kid?
Okay, this is gonna go on YouTube, so do something incredulous.
Evidence.
Do it, Monkey.
Having too good of a time. Did you hang the VA, dude?
Back?
Yeah, do it back.
Monkey! Monkey!
Is that monkey swims?
Huh?